Former gang members, has your gang ever been infiltrated by an undercover? My gang was infiltrated by a cop named Dave, and to say he fooled us is an understatement. Our gang's first initiation ritual involved letting members of the group wail on you for 3 minutes, no holding back. If you were still breathing after, you were in. After getting pummeled by 7 men, he wasn't just alive, he was laughing. The day Dave earned a code name, a huge deal in your gang, was the day he was a getaway driver. The job involved sneaking into a rival dealer's house, stealing his product, and escaping. As they were making their getaway, someone opened fire on the vehicle and Dave took a round to the upper arm. Without even slowing down, he managed to get our guys back to the house despite profusely bleeding. After his arrival, our leader and I rushed him to the ER as he sat there, holding a jacket against the wound. Within the next day, he made a full recovery. Once Dave got back, our leader approached him with a name tag and pinned it to Dave's shirt, signifying that he achieved extremely high status in our circle. Dave was now serious. Seeing him come in with a SWAT team and busting our ass a week later was a surreal experience.